Hi everybody, Paul Stefano here, voice actor, voice-over artist, voice-over, any of those terms will do. And I'm here to talk about playing your demos. We were recently talking on Facebook about ways to upload your demos for people to listen to so they can hire you for voiceover jobs. One of the easiest ways to do that is on YouTube. And I'm going to show you how to turn your demo into a YouTube video so people can hire you, book you for a job, maybe even put you on their agency roster. So let's go to the screen capture and show you how to do it. Here we go. Okay, everybody, so now we're outside the booth at the editing station of my studio, and we're going to talk about how to actually edit the demo to make it a YouTube clip. So I'm going to use a program called iMovie. It's built into most Macs. I have it here on my iMac as well. And up here on the top is the media clips that I'm going to use. Right now you see there's the pre-video I shot for this very video. There is the logo for my very popular podcast, the VO Meter. You can check that out at vometer.com, www.vometer.com. You can also find those at YouTube, because the reason these are here is because I just made all of my podcast episodes into YouTube videos as well, using this very same process. So here's where the media elements are going to be once you have them loaded, and that's the first step. You're going to go to File, Import Media, and then bring in the elements that you want to use for this demo. In this case, I'm going to use my logo for my business. I'm going to double click that. It's going to pop up here into the Elements window. And then I'm going to open up one of my demos. I put these both on the desktop for ease of use. They might be located somewhere else in your computer, but I know I have them on the desktop, so I'm going to scroll down here, go out of my Demos folder, and I'm going to use the narration demo in this case. So I'm going to double click on that, and that'll load in here as well. The next step is to actually put the clips into the drop-down menu so you can actually play them and edit them. So I'm going to take the logo, I'm going to slide this in here, and then I'm going to take the actual demo, which in this case is right here. I'm going to slide this down here as well. Now you can see there are different lengths. If I click on the edge here, this one is 8 seconds. And this one, if I scroll over, is 1 minute and 22 seconds. Sorry about that. So the trick is to make the clips the same length, so the logo or whatever other image you're going to have will be there the entire length of the audio. So this is the zoom bar. I'm going to go all the way out so you can see these things in their entirety. And all I'm going to do is click on the edge of the logo, drag it over so it matches up with the audio. Now to make sure it's really matched up, you're going to want to go drill down into this so it's zoomed in. You can see that it's actually not that tight because I was sort of guessing at that macro level. So once I get closer, I can make it more precise. So I'm going to drag this over so it lines up precisely with the audio. If I click on the top, it'll tell me that this clip is now 122.11, and click on the far edge of this one. This one is also 122.11. So that's what we want. From here, we're going to use a feature that's actually built into iMovie called Share. Go to File, go down to Share, click on YouTube. You can see here that my YouTube account is already connected. That's a feature you may need to do yourself. It's a topic for another video, but mine is already linked up. So I'm going to click on YouTube. And here, I've already entered in the information about the demo, but here up in the top, you will put in the description. I'm going to call it Narration Demo. You can put in, this is the title, Narration Demo. Description, in this case, I'm going to give it the same name. You could maybe add something different. And here are tags that make it easy to search for items that are related on YouTube to make your demo stand out when people are searching for these things on YouTube. I have some that I use for the podcast. I'm just going to leave here. I have VO, voiceover, voiceover with a space, audio production, voice acting, podcast, and demos. I'm going to click Next, read over the little terms of service, and I'm going to hit Publish. And now up here, it's Macintosh or Apple is going to automatically upload this to YouTube. You can see it has 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Once this is actually an hourglass, once it's done, it'll be uploaded to YouTube and we'll be all set. And that's really all there is to it. Now if I go to YouTube, YouTube, go to my channel. Click pause on that. My channel. You can see that my narration demo is here as a YouTube video. I can play it through. I just have it playing through my headphones right now, so it's not very loud, but that's it. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, put them in the comments field, and I'd be happy to help. Bye, everybody.